Petrochemical plants produce synthetic rubber from crude oil byproducts. Engineers monitor the process as elastic rubber emerges. These fibers are spun into long, thin threads. The threads are woven into flexible fabric sheets. Rolls of fabric are stacked for later use. Steel wires are shaped into rings. Rubber is layered around the steel rings to form the finished beads. The finished beads are stacked carefully. Next, rubberized fabric plies are wrapped around the drum. Rollers press each layer tightly, smoothing out air bubbles. Steel belts are now added over the fabric layers. These belt rigidify to be ounce precisement. Tires undergo extreme heat and pressure. Machines simulate heavy loads. Only high-quality tires pass. Scanning this pallet now. Ready to place it. Confirmed. Section A, top rack. Lifting now. Some tires are selected for random sample testing. They are pulled from storage for rechecking. Additional stress tests are performed. Results are documented for records. Pallet loaded, moving to Bay 3. Straps tight on this stack. 10 pallets confirmed for Chicago. Delivery for the sedan line.
Tread depth is good. Match confirmed.
Storing near the line now. This one looks good. Let's get the old ones off. All right. I'll get the machine ready. Mounting. Now for air and balance. Scrap rubber is collected and sent for recycling. Machines grind the rubber into small granules. These granules are reused, minimizing waste. Factories integrate recycled content where possible. Environmental impact is lowered. Efficiency is holding at 98.5%. Throughput is up, all optimal. Alert on conveyor 3, rerouting.
Confirmed. Logs updated.
Lubricate these bearings, keep it smooth. On it, applying now. Good. Replace the worn gear next. Got it, looks good. The final result is a high-quality, durable rubber tire. The tire is now ready for real-world roads.